Step 6. LinkedIn Summary Generator. Your LinkedIn summary is your professional introduction, a chance to tell your story and highlight your unique value. It's more than a resume recap, it's where you showcase your passion, expertise, and aspirations. Crafting a compelling summary can be challenging, but the LinkedIn Summary Generator simplifies the process. In seconds, it creates a polished, keyword-rich draft. Just input your experience, skills, and goals, and the AI-powered tool generates a tailored summary. This draft provides a strong foundation, incorporating relevant keywords to improve your search visibility. While it's a great starting point, personalize it with your unique voice and perspective. The LinkedIn. Step 7. LinkedIn Post Generator. Consistent, engaging content is key to LinkedIn success, but creating compelling posts can be a challenge.